Checking out this new lighter I bought. Really cool. So it comes in a nice box. So if you're going to be gifting it, it's pretty nice. We'll go ahead and we'll pull it out of here. And it uses USB-C for charging, and then butane to fill it up. When it's locked like this, nothing can happen. None of the buttons work. You do get an indicator here on the side to tell you how full the battery is. When you flip this open, it gives you this really cool look. When you pull this button, you'll get the jet out the front. And then what's cool is when you push this button, you get the electronic lighter here. So the electronic arc here for a lighter, and then if we pull this button, you get a jet flame for a lighter. So the butane and the USB, really neat. You get a kind of a cool effect when you're using this one too. Then it all folds up. Very nice. Hope this helps.